Ladies and gentlemen, we all know how special HT Monaros are, and we've had quite a few over the last couple of years. But this one here was ordered in factory black, which is, there wouldn't be too many factory black ones around. It was also ordered with a 308 engine, which is still running the standard original 308. And underneath the bonnet here is basically, as it rolled off the production floor, a very, very original car, running an automatic gearbox. So it's factory black with the gold stripes. And then it's got things like, the wheels aren't genuine factory wheels, but they're the period correct wheel for the time. Back in the 70s, I think they were like an Amos mag. Everyone had to have a set of those. Got the NASCO mud flap still on it from new. The interior trim is absolutely perfect. And original carpet still in it, the steering wheel. The dash is absolutely perfect. And just a very, very good car. Factory black 308 Auto HT GTS. There'd be very, very few and far between on the market today, and this car is a very, very good example. All original door trims, interior rear Venetian. It was ordered brand new off Les Vagg Holden, as you can still see the dealer stick on the back window. It was actually Les Vagg's demo company car for a while. So it's bumper overriders on the back, even in the boot. Original floor mat, just a good, tidy original example. And a very, very rare colour combo. So if you're looking for something a bit different, you don't want the red or the white or the popular blue in the HTs, this is definitely something that's going to stand out in the crowd. Factory black, 308 Auto, GTS Coupe. Good pedigree with this car and a great combo. So don't miss out. Lloyds online, www.lloydsauctions.com.au, or pop down to Crow and have a look yourself, but well worth a look. Stunning car.